And now I'll create outlines that will represent my pads for the lot grading. So since in our site layout, as you can see, we've got a layer defined that shows the building setbacks from the front and the side. We could use those to draw our pad outlines, or maybe we've got predefined blocks we want to insert and explode. However we do that, the requirements are that the pad outline be a 2D lightweight polyline, nothing else. So let's go and draw some. And I'll just rough these in. I'm not going to be real precise about drawing them. So I'll just make sure I'm on a layer first that I can use. I'll just set layer 0, that's good enough. So I'll type P-line and just start drawing. And like I said, I'm just going to rough these in. Use ortho for some of them. They have to be closed. It's another thing to remember. You can use curves in your pad definitions if you want. I personally don't because of the tessellation they create in the finished surface, but it's completely your call.